Hey, what's up fellow programmers? In this video we are going to take a look at how to use ternary operator inside a function. So let us take an example. Let us assume that we want to find whether the number is even or odd. Okay, so normally what you would do is you would define a function called even odd, and it is going to accept one parameter, number. Okay, if num mod 2 is equal to 0, then return true, else return false. Okay, and I'll just print and I'll just call this even odd function. Okay, I'll pass 5, it is going to return false. If I pass 6, it is going to return true. Okay, you can also achieve the same thing using ternary operator. Ternary operator will help you reduce the number of lines of code. Okay, so I'll just copy this thing. Okay, I'll paste it over here. I'll just simply type return, and I'll take if condition. If num mod 2 is equal to 0, then I'll just return true. Okay, else I'll return false. It will work exactly the same way as it did before. So I'll print even odd, and I'll pass 5 and it has returned false, and I'll pass 6, it will return true. Okay, so that's how you use ternary operators inside a function. So the syntax is pretty simple. Here, if condition, if this is true, then execute this, else means it's going to take false conditions, then execute this. Okay, so if this is true, it is going to execute this line of code, and else if this condition is false, then it is going to execute this line of code. So the same thing is happening here. So num mod 2 is equal to 0, 6 is even number, so that's why it has returned true. If I give 7, it is going to return false. So if num mod 2 is not 0 in this case, that's why it has returned false. Okay, so that's how you use ternary operators inside a function. I hope you guys enjoyed this lecture. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, take care and be safe.